Very good afternoon, student. So today we will do the finding the area of irregular shape using only full or and half square on a squared paper. As I have shown you this is the square paper. This is also known as the graph paper. Okay, so all of you purchase the graph notebook. If you are having, that's very okay. If you don't have, then purchase it. To find the area using squared paper, we place the figure whose area is to be found on the squared paper, okay, and draw its outline. So as you can see here, I want to know the area of this figure, so that's why I had drawn this figure on this squared paper. Okay, now next step written, count the number of full squares within the outline that is the boundary of the figure. So let us count how many number of full squares. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So number of full squares are 18. So we will write here number of complete square is equals to 18. 18 square units. Okay. Then what is the third step here? Count the number of half squares. Take 2 half squares equals to 1 full square. Okay. So here how many half squares are there? We will find out. Okay. So here this is 1 half. We are going to circle it. 2 half, 3 half, 4 half, 5 half, 6 half, 7 half and 8 half. So in the question written, take 2 half as 1. So this 2 makes 1, this 2 makes 2 square units, this 2 makes 3, this 2 makes 4. So there are number of halves. If you want to write, you will write number of half squares. Number of half squares is equals to how many numbers of half square we have counted here? There are 8. So you will write here 8. Then area of this half square we have to find out. Then the area of, we have to take out the figures area. So how to find out the figure area now? We will write we have to add this 2 as given here, that you have to add the squares obtained in the above 2 steps, that is the full squares and the half squares. So we are going to add up here, that is 18 plus half squares, that is half of 8 here written, half squares we have written. So half of 8 will be equals to, you have to write, and the square units. So 18 plus, we have to solve this one, that 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 1 into 4, that gives equals to 4 here. So 18 plus 4 square units. So that means it is equals to 22 square units, or we can also write 22 units square. Okay students, hope you have understood how to find out the irregular shape, area of irregular shape, okay, by using the only full and half squares on a squared paper. So let us see examples that is given in your book. Find the area of each of the following figures drawn on a square grid. Take the side of a square as 1 unit. So you can see here the first figure A, there are all are square, full squares. Okay, so number of complete square we will count in this figure. That is first step. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 full complete squares. So the area is equals to what? Area is equals to 8 square units, as it has given. We have taken 1 square as 1 unit. 1 unit means what? Unit may be a centimeter, meter or kilometer. Okay. So anything that will be there, you have to write in this way. Now come to the next figure, that is bit B, figure B. In this figure, again we will count the first number of complete squares. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. After 16 there are half squares. So we will write here 16 squares. Then number of half square we have to count. There are 2 number of half square. So 2 you have written here. Then then we are going to find out the area. How we will find out the area? By adding up the complete squares and the half squares. So 16 plus half of 2 we will write, or else we can easily write that, as I told you, as we have already seen that here you can count the number of halves. Take 2 half squares equal to 1. This I want to make you know, that take 2 half square equal to 1 square. That means half plus half is equals to 1. Yes or no? So here directly also you can take here 1, or else half of 2 if you are writing. So in 2's table you have to, first you have to solve this one. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So 1 into 1, that is equals to 1 here. 16 plus 1 square units, that is equals to 17 square units. Thus the area of the figure B is equals to 17 square units. Now come to bit C figure, figure C. So in this figure again we will first count the number of complete squares. So what are they? How many are they? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 10 complete squares. So number of complete square is equals to 10. So let us see how many are half. 1 2, or else together we can write it as 1. Together we will write it as 2. Okay, so there are 2 half. If you want to write here, you can write number of half square 4, and half of 4 will make the 2 squares. Yes or no? So add up this to 10 plus half of 4 squares unit, that is 10 plus 2 square units is equals to 12 square units. So area, thus the area of the figure C is equals to 12 square units. Okay students, hope you all have understood how to find out the figures. Okay, how to find out the irregular shape using only full squares and the half squares on the square paper. Okay students, all of you must buy the graph notebook. Okay.